A lot of titans in the tech industry making headlines today as they look to raise huge sums of capital to build their AI startups. Our Deirdre Bose is watching that today on Tech Check. Hey, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. Let me name just a few of them. Elon Musk, Brett Taylor, Sam Altman. These are already the biggest names in tech, but they're not complacent running some of the biggest existing companies in the world. They want to build the next generation of Gen AI companies. And it certainly helps that they have established, proven track records, because building AI companies, that is extremely expensive. The FT reports that Elon Musk is in talks to raise up to $6 billion to finance a challenger to the Microsoft OpenAI juggernaut. Brett Taylor, that's the former Salesforce CEO and OpenAI chairman, he's reportedly close to finalizing an $85 million investment for his startup called Sierra. And then there's Altman, of course. He may be chasing billions of dollars to build AI chips. Now, we've talked about the billions of dollars needed in compute power, and that is for building the actual models. Reporting from The Information says that Anthropic's gross margin was between 50 and 55% in December, and that's actually far lower than the average gross margin for cloud software stocks. Talent is another massive expense. I was at a dinner last night with the CEOs of Databricks, Box, and Salesforce AI. One of them, Ali Ghodsi, he said that the going compensation package for a senior AI researcher is $20 million over 4 years. Hire 5 of them, that's $100 million like that. And then there's making the actual chips, arguably the most ambitious. NVIDIA and TSMC have put in years and tens of billions of dollars into research and development, while the mega caps like Google, Amazon, and others, they're still using NVIDIA GPUs despite their own in-house chip efforts, which are costing huge sums of money as well. But even if you're not building the foundational models or the semis to power them, and you're building AI applications like Brett Taylor is, there's a race to get scale. Clara Shih, the Salesforce AI CEO, likened last night at dinner, to AI in 1997 during the dot-com boom. She said she sees a lot of similarities over the last year. So that means winners are starting to emerge, even if we don't yet know who's going to be Alta Vista or Google, and Alta Vista or Yahoo, and who is going to be Google. But clearly, you want to be in the latter camp, and that's what some of these tech titans are trying to do.